Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, D+Shift. Today, I am going to conduct a computer class for the students of class 4. Our today's topic is Chapter 12, page number 117 to 119, reading plus discussion. I repeat, our today's topic is Chapter 12, page number 117 to 119, reading plus discussion. Dear students, this is our lecture number 8. So look here, this is our lecture number 8 and SW number 6. I repeat, this is our lecture number 8 and SW number 6, not 7. SW number 6 on our annual term syllabus. My dear students of class 4, in our previous class of computer, I discussed about the page number up to 116, and that was our basic discussion about the chapter number 12, the internet. Today inshallah we will read and discuss the last part of chapter 12, the internet. So all of you open your computer ahead book, this book, computer ahead book, and page number 117. Computer ahead, it is 117. The name of our title, the name of our chapter 12 is the internet. In our previous class we discussed, and today inshallah we will discuss the from page number 117 to the rest. I hope all of you have opened your book, page number 117. So look at your book properly. You can look at the board also. So look here, it is also written lecture number 8, SW number 6, finding information for a school project. So look here, the title is finding information for a school project. So look at the bold letter, through known URL, through known URL. So in our previous class I told you that the full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Dear students, URL, unique address, and the full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. It is Uniform Resource Locator. Your school or social studies, I repeat, your social studies teacher has asked you to do a project on Iceland. So look here, she has told that a reliable site from where you can get this information is the National Geographic site for kids. We all know that National Geographic site or National Geographic channel is very famous to the students or for the children also, whose URL, that means Uniform Resource Locator. URL is http:// kids.nationalgeographic.com/explore/. This is the uniform address. Okay, this is the URL address there. Type the URL in the browser bar. This brings up the main page of National Geographic site for children. Now click Geography under tags. So look here, tag, and scroll to find the small picture of island. Click on it, it takes you to pages that provide information and picture of the island. Dear students, in our book, page number 117, you will see a picture of island. Page number 117. So look here, page number 117, you will see lot of picture of the, after browsing it, the picture of Iceland. So look here, many information. This is not only the site that gives you information on Iceland, there are innumerable others. So look here, innumerable others means much other, not only the only information or only one address, innumerable others address also. Try the following website that takes you around the world, http://www, that means World Wide Web. So look here, www means World Wide Web timeforkids.com/around the world. Search for Iceland and click on it, you will find information on Iceland. Now through a search engine, Here we will get the information. Here we will get the information through a search engine. The best search engine is here Google. Okay, we will get this. In environmental studies, your teacher has asked you to find out if water can be used as a fuel. If water can be used as a fuel, she has also told you of any website where this information can be found. So, you want to use a search engine such as Google. So, look here, I have already told you that Google is the best search engine here. On the search bar, type water as a fuel and click enter. In less than a second, that means within a second, you will get hundreds of sites which have information on water as a fuel. Click to open a few of those pages to read. So, we have got information through a search engine. Here we will look advantages of using the net. That means what are the advantages of using the internet we will get here. So, look, information is available to you on your computer. You do not have to go to a library or a museum. That means to get the information, we do not need to go to the library or museum. If we have internet connection in the search bar, that means using Google, we can get lot of information. Here we will read the advantages of using the internet. You can learn the same information in different ways from several sites. For example, while searching for how an airplane works, you may find a site where if you click on a picture, you will be able to see a movie of an airplane flying. You may also find a site where on clicking at a particular point, you will get instruction on to make a paper. Each time you come to a page, that means each time you will get a page, and you click on a word or group of words which take you to the different pages or website. There you can get more information, full stop. The word or group of words that connect one document to another document or website is known as hyperlink. Dear students, look here, look at the definition of hyperlink. That means what is hyperlink? Okay, in this connection we will write like this: the word or group of words that connect one document to another document or website is known as hyperlink. Now I will move you to the next page. Next page here. You can share this information easily with friends by sending the links through the email. Internet makes it possible to learn things in every interactive ways. Not single communication, many interactive ways here. Here is an example of learning site capital using flashcard .www. I am telling you again, www means World Wide Web. World Wide Web. timeforkids.com/homework helper /study helper /state.capitals. This site allows you to make your own flashcard and learn while playing. This one is done. Now we will read the use of internet for current news. To get the news, so that means to get updated, we should use the internet. So look here, the title is use the net for current information or current news. You can also use the net to get the latest news through the newspaper that are available over the internet. Here are examples of newspaper website, these types on your computer. So www.thehindu.com/ www.timesofindia.indiatimes.com and Hindustan.com. So dear students, I am telling you again, in our previous class I told you, that means in our last class of computer I told you, that means this book, Computer Ahead book, it is an Indian book. This book is an Indian book, that means this book is published in India. For this reason here the web address and the settings normally are taken. Okay, that means all the address and the settings are taken from the Indian settings. Indian books, Indian settings. Most news channels also make information available on the net. For example, www. So look here, www.ndt.com/. New channels also do live streaming of news, full stop. This means that when you go to their website, you would hear and see the news on your computer, exactly what someone else may watch on their TV, full stop. It is like watching TV news on television. News in English language .www ndtv.com/video/live/channel/ndtv 24 multiply 7, 24 hours. News in other languages /ajit.intoday.in/livetv.php. Now we will use the using internet for fun. So look here, the last one is using, not last one, here another point also, using internet for fun. Resources are available on the net that give you many options to learn new skills while having fun. One such option is to learn making paper puppets or paper craft. You will find easy step-by-step instruction on this site http://lifestyle.howstuffworks.com/craft/paper-puppet.htm. This is the address. Last one is using the net for reading books. That means here, that means we will use the net for reading different types of books. You can also find books to read on the net, full stop. The fun part is that these books have interesting pictures, full stop. Some books have sound as well. www.magickeys.com/books. Look, one address here. Another one, www.sandhajan.com-webooks. So look here, it is webooks like that slash. This site has a small collection of unusual illustrated stories. www.cr/index.htm. These are the reading session. Dear students, look at the end of our book. It is written SW lesson 12 or chapter 12. Make 5 MCQ from page number 117 to 119. So look here, these all are taken from page number 117 to 119, and you will prepare 5 MCQ. Dear students, including today's class, that means with this class our computer syllabus, that means reading session, we all know that the last chapter of computer class 4 is chapter 12. That means chapter 12 is done, that means our computer reading session is done. Inshallah, in our next class of computer, we will do MCQ and question answer. And finally, I request you that write me in the comment box if you have any questions regarding our today's class. Read the text again and again and do your SW in your SW copy. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.